Hello everyone, my name is Hitesh and I'm from first year AIDS. My startup company is Bed Solutions and the product present name is earphone. Product proposed name is Neurosonic. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First point is we should recycle electronic parts and use them in the manufacture of the next earphone. The second point is compact design, making them easy to carry and comfortable to wear throughout the day. Define, based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. The existing product name is earphone and futuristic product name is Neurosonic. Ideate. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Health monitoring, adaptive noise cancellation, gesture control, and wireless charging. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.